All right, let's check out this electric pressure washer. It comes with a long 35-foot electric cord, which is nice, so you can get away from the house. It also has a water hose that comes with it for the wand. And the wand comes with one, two, three, four tips, as you can see there, for different pressures. And then it also fits together like that. So it does come on wheels. It's really lightweight, so really the wheels aren't really needed. It's easy to pick up. Your attachments are a little bit different. Easy quick connects. You just push and insert your hose there, and it latches into place. Same thing for the wand. I'll show you that. There's the little button you push to get it to lock in right here. So that's really cool. So let's get it hooked up and show you how it works. All right, I've got the pressure washer hooked up now, and basically it's really simple. You hook your garden hose into the back with this little screw-in thing, and on the front you just slide your pressure hose that goes to the wand right here in the front. There's the on-off button, so you just turn that to on after you turn the water on and get it flowing. And here's the wand. And the wand has a little button right here that you push in, and when you slide in the hose. So it's pressurized right now, and as you can see, it's not leaking or anything like that. So yeah, let's turn it on. Let's wash some pollen off the car. All right, I've got it hooked up. Here are the different nozzles. I've got the 15-degree nozzle. So this is the 0-degree nozzle, which will give you the most power. And then they've got a 40 and a 25 also. So basically it's on, the water's on. So I'm gonna squeeze the trigger, and it'll turn on at that point. So here we go. All right, so something just happened I wanted to share with you all. I didn't have the water turned all the way on, so you need to have your water turned on completely, or else it'll suck the hose dry. And so that's what just happened. I had to go back there and be sure that my water hose was turned all the way on. So be sure you do that. Let me show you how the ends come off here. So you just pull that down, and then these are little quick connects. So you put them in, then they go. Pull down, unhack. So now I'm going to go with the 25 degree. Get a little wider spray pattern. Okay, that was a 25 degree. Now I'm going to take that one out, and I'll show you the 40 degree nozzle. See how much wider that is. So that's going to be a little bit wider, but also less pressure. And now I'll do the 0 degree. And you need to be careful with this one, because you could possibly do damage with stuff if you get right up on it. You see that straight line there? So that's your highest pressure nozzle. Notice I didn't get right up on the paint. I didn't want to accidentally take off some paint. So yeah, I'm really liking this. It also comes with a soap cannon. Let me show you that. So your soap cannon will attach where the spray hose will. So you just push in and twist, and this pops off. Your soap cannon, you fill this with some type of pressure washer soap. This is made just for soap cannons. And then you want to put it in just like this. And then this will be full of soap right here. And when you spray, it'll put suds all over your vehicle so you can soap it that way and then wash it off. I'm gonna do a quick demo of the soap cannon. Here we go. Nice thing is you can just pick this thing up and walk with. I really recommend this pressure washer. Once I got the water hose turned on completely, it works great. It's really lightweight. It's easy to use, easy to hook up. So much easier than a gas-powered pressure washer, which I had one of those for 10 years and finally got tired of fooling with it. For what I need around the house, cleaning my patio, washing the pollen off of cars, washing cars, things like that, this is a perfect option. So I highly recommend it.